Hi, this is Oakland Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta, stock number 6628. This ran from the 5th 2013 to the 12th 2019. It has a WZ 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a WZ 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front, left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right hand door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,